harvest a handful of Jamaican sorrel today. My first time growing them. Think I have enough for one drink? Okay, Jamaican sorrel. Okay, I'm gonna try and test out this little small amount of this Jamaican sorrel that I have harvest. I have more on the plant that I'm gonna harvest this week. You have to boil the Jamaican sorrel fruit to get the fruit juices out of it, and then let it soak overnight and strain the fruit out of the juice and pour it over ginger, cinnamon, and sugar. And some people put alcohol, mixed alcohol, rum, or different kind of wines in with it too. But I'm gonna see what it's gonna taste like my first time around. I can see more of the red color coming through. My little batch of Jamaican sorrel is boiling now, and I can see the red color coming. May have me a little cup of juice until I can harvest enough. And I saw some that you can get some dry Jamaican sorrel from the store. I'm gonna get some of that and add my fresh Jamaican sorrel with it and make me a bigger batch. But right now I'm gonna try to see what it tastes like with my first little harvest of Jamaican sorrel. This is the seed pods that grew with the Jamaican sorrel plant. You peel the fruit from around it and you let this sit and dry and get real hard, and when you're ready to plant some more of your Jamaican sorrel, you just open it up and the seeds are within. Now I'm ready. I spiced it up a little bit with some alcohol, a little rum. It tastes good. It tastes good. Jamaican sorrel. Ooh. Tastes great.